Western Global 3367, roger, 36 left, Victor 4, cleared for takeoff, wind 07013, gusting 27.
Delta 73, we're ready, 36 left and on.
Delta 73, hello, behind the Western Global, line up 36 left, Victor 4 behind.
4 behind, Delta 73.
Western Global 3367, roger, takeoff cancelled, and are you able to stop before the next exit? Okay, roger, the first to the right. Western Global 3367, you can move up and join the taxiway. Western Global 3367. Just received the information from the vehicle, and the left hand side around the wingtip there seems to be some kerosene coming out. Do you have any indications? Okay, you let me know, you can hold position there. Western Global 3367, according to the vehicle there is an obvious leak. Western Global 3367, you will have to hold position for now, and there will be some other vehicles from the airport authorities coming to observe the aircraft from outside. Western Global 3367, contact 121.560, this is for ground.
Ground, Western Global 3367.
Western Global 3367, hello. They're going to check the airplane, and I'll keep you informed about what they find still. Do you have any indications?
Indications look normal from here, Western Global 3367.
Okay, I will pass it on, thank you. Western Global 3367, the fire brigade doesn't seem any fuel spill or anything else, so they say you can taxi back to a stand. Are you ready for that?
Okay, bye.
Roger.
Ground, Western Global 3367, we'd like to taxi back.
Okay, Western Global 3367, number 1. Western Global 3367, you can taxi to holding point Victor 4 again. You can join behind the Air France, Airbus 320 coming from the left.
Okay, roger that. We'll go, we'll follow the airframe back to 54, Western Global 3367.
And Western Global 3367, you will be ready upon reaching?
Western Global 3367.
Roger, contact tower again, 118, decimal 280, good luck and have a nice day.
118280.
Western Global 3367, line up 36 left, Victor 4 again. Western Global 3367, wind 04020, gusting 25, 36 left, Victor 4, cleared for takeoff. Western Global 3367, roger, cancel takeoff clearance and whatever convenient, the first right or the second right. Western Global 3367, roger, once vacated the runway, hold your position. Do you have any indications? Body gear steering issue, copied. Western Global 3367, is it the main gear?
Yes, sir.
Main body gear, check. And contact ground 121560.
121560, ground, Western Global 3367. Just cleared the runway 361.
Okay, Western Global 3367, hello again. You can continue now straight ahead and then hold at second position. That is Papa 6, and we let the opposite 737 pass.
Okay, roger that. We'll taxi straight ahead and hold short there, compensate for the other Western Global 3367. And ground, Western Global 3367. We've got a couple
Oh, sorry, yeah, I'm going to give him a call. Stand by. Western Global 3367, you can continue now all the way back to Schiphol to Whiskey 5, cross runway 36 center.
Okay, we're clear for Whiskey 5 and we're clear to cross 36 center, Western Global 3367.